Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you'll gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, it's TradeFront. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel here. In this video, I wanted to demonstrate how I am able to make over $200 in just 1 minute trading binary options on the Pocket Option platform here. A common misconception about trading is that technical analysis does not work for making consistent trading results. This is not the case, however. As you will see over time when trading, your results strictly depend on your personal levels of discipline, risk tolerance, and ability to remain patient while waiting for the market to present you with suitable entry opportunities. An important distinction of trading binary options versus other financial instruments is the need to be purposeful and accurate in your decision-making abilities. Binary options are matter of fact. You can either be right or wrong. There is no room for a misplaced entry or incorrect timing. Your ability to be correct in your market assessments can determine the difference between trading as a hobby, using guesswork, and the potential to trade binary options for a living, or at least make a suitable part-time income. In this particular trade, I waited for a setup opportunity which aligned multiple technical indicators into my favor, creating what is known as an area of confluence. This is when you are getting multiple different signals from multiple different forms of technical analysis converging into one unifying signal at one point on the chart for a laser-focused entry opportunity. The importance of using these different indicators in one approach is that other traders using each of these indicators individually are also placing entries at these points in market activity, creating a more likely entry point for many different types of traders. We can take advantage of these perfect storm entry opportunities as well as capitalize on them when applicable. As seen here in this example, combining these multiple different indications into one entry point proved to be a great short-term profit of over $200. That is an average daily income working a 9 to 5 where I'm located. This is how powerful trading binary options can be. If you want to learn more about the strategy I use when trading binary options and the process of combining different indicators together for finding these opportunities in the market, be sure to check out my educational package in the description below, where I demonstrate exactly which indicators I use and how I combine them when trading. Alternatively, I also offer the shadow trading program where you will get access to anytime I enter a trade on Pocket Option 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays. Learn more information about that by checking out the shadow trading program membership down in the description below as well. I hope you have all enjoyed this video. Be sure to go ahead and like and subscribe to stay up to date with any time I put out another video like this. Have a great day and remember to stay safe out there. Peace. Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you'll gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, it's TradeFront.